Hi, I'm Phil Cohen with VoiceBox Technologies. So we're working on the next generation of the internet, which we call voice artificial intelligence. Voice artificial intelligence will combine understanding, it'll combine knowledge, it'll combine reasoning, and produce responses that are tailored towards people's plans and intentions, not merely the words that they say. So let's drill down into what we mean by voice artificial intelligence. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to understand the meaning of an utterance. So we're going to build what's called a semantic parser, which takes the utterance apart into its pieces and builds up a meaning for the entire utterance based on its pieces. Of course, interpreting utterances involves understanding the context that people are engaged in. People are very responsive to their context, both their situational context and the linguistic context. And by combining the two of those and understanding what people mean in context, we will provide a much more fluid style of interaction. Let me give you an example of what we mean by semantic parsing. So here I have a geography question answering system. So we'll ask it a few questions and you'll see some of the complexity that a semantic parser can handle. What states border Idaho? So it has given us a list of states, which also gives us a context for the next question. What is the population of the second largest one? So here it has interpreted the word one to mean of the states that border Idaho. It has used the context of the previous question in order to derive its answer. In particular, you can see the meaning representation where it finds the set of prior states, sorts them by population, and then finds the second element of that set. Now, this is also applicable in many different kinds of domains. For example, in points of interest calculations, I might ask, find Japanese restaurants near Nordstrom and Bellevue. Here you see a map with those Japanese restaurants, and also a little table of those restaurants. And at the bottom is the query that it executed in order to find them. We think technology can go even farther. The next step is to respond to people's utterances based on their plans and intentions, not merely exactly what they said. So, for example, if you ask someone, where's the nearest gas station? There would be something wrong, uncollaborative, uncooperative, if they said the gas station is a mile to your left, when in fact they knew that gas station was closed. Because they know that your purpose in asking this question was to find out where it is and then go there and buy gas. So let's show you some examples.
When is their next concert?
They are touring next spring and will be in Seattle on March 25th. Would you like me to get you tickets?
Yes.
Sorry, Seattle is sold out, but their Portland concert on the 24th is still available. Would you be interested in going to that one?
Sure.
Tickets are $35 to $100. Here is the seating chart.
Okay, to summarize, we've shown you the beginnings of the next generation of the internet, which we call voice artificial intelligence. Specifically, we showed you how to uncover the meaning representation of an utterance and to do so in context of the prior dialogue. But we also pointed the way to developing systems that can collaboratively respond to their users. In particular, that can respond to the user's intentions and plans, not merely to the words that they say. So we hope you'll join us in building this next generation. We think the future is really exciting.